Yeah, I think I need some more light. What you think? No? I should be good. Okay, it's your Black China Doll coming in today to do a little review on this scarf, headband, scarf, baby hair thing going on or whatever. So I did pick one up. Shoot, coming out. I did pick one up, and here it is. Okay. This is the front. That's the little baby hairs or whatever. So it comes in a whole lot of different styles. Monet, Warhol, Daily, Picasso, and Davinci. Okay, and I think I have Warhol. I have that one. Okay, and it's blue and white. All right, so let's take it out of the packet. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I thought I had Warhol, but I don't. I have Davinci. Okay, so here it is here. This is it. Okay, you have the little baby hair, sparse little baby hairs, and then you have the lace. Okay, so I believe the first thing you need to do is cut the lace off. First thing we need to do is cut the lace off, okay? So let's do that. Okay, so while we're waiting on the curling iron to heat up, why is this hair so long? Is that my hair? Okay, somehow I got this this headband wig hair in the front, so that's cool. Oh, and I don't know how I did that, but we're gonna take some of these hairs out because it's too much. Okay, guys, so we got it all done. Now this is the headband wig from I can't remember, but it was like the video before this one, the headband wig with the bangs. Okay, this is the back part. All right, and then I just put this on top of it, and boom, there it is. Okay, and I don't know how I got this hair up there, but it turned out cute. Okay, so where did I get this from? I got this from Wig Types. No, Ebony Line. I got this from Ebony Line, and it took forever to get here. Let me see if I can curl this a little more. It took forever to come. I'm gonna curl this a little bit more. Okay, yeah. So it took forever to come or whatever, but and then I wanted to do this headband wig first before I did this. But I think it's cute. Would I wear it? Yes. Sometimes without any hairpiece, yes. I think it will be easy, you know, put it on and let's go. I'm all about quickness. I'm all about, you know, don't have time, because most of the time, if you're a mother, single mother, you have kids, you really don't have time. And I hate to see mothers out there look tired and they look worn down. You know what I'm saying? They don't take time for themselves. This right here would give you an easy little hairstyle. Throw on a little makeup and you look presentable and nice. Okay, so that is it for the scarf wig. I really like it. I'll give it a thumbs up. Alright guys, this is your Black China Doll coming in today with the scarf wig. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to subscribe.
Read and subscribe.
Dollhouse. Remember, be sweet, be kind, and stay out of trouble. Alright guys, toodles.